welcome to my channel. It is Tay Rosé. For this video, I will be doing another 3-in-1, and this is featured, I know you see on the thumbnail already, but this is featuring the Faux Couleur We Carry Your Favorites palette. Now, I'm going to put up the playlist somewhere in the cards as when I first started using this palette up until now. I've had this palette for 5 years, and so I decided, why not use it, right? I am wearing one of the looks right now as we speak. I will be having the photos throughout the video so you can see where I'm getting these makeup looks from. Of course, these are from Pinterest. They're very easy to find. And it also has the color techniques, which I'm using as well, which I'm going to show you the shades from here. Which, just looking at this palette, there are a few shades that I have panned on by far. I panned on Copper, Rose, Salmon, and Pink, which I was surprised by this shade that I've panned on. But then again, I was using this palette so much around 2018, 2019, and I pretty much have forgotten about it. Not good. If you want to see any of the 3 looks that I used achieving this palette, then please be sure to keep watching. Alright, today's lip combo is the Glam Light Teresa Lip Kit, but I decided to change on the lip color and I decided to use the Jason Wu Stay and Light Lip Liner, and that is in the shade Mauve Pink. Right. So lippy of the day is the e.l.f. Glide On Lip Liner in Spill the Tea and the Jason Wu lipstick in Biscotti. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on both the eyeshadow looks and this palette. I'm talking about this look because this is what I did. How it looked on the model was very different than how mine looked. But then again, anytime when you have a dupe versus the other palette, it's going to look a lot different. Something's going to be different about it. This time around it was the colors. Okay, the first two looks, they're very easy off the whim, and I forgot again how good this palette is. Like, just look at the color story again. The metallic shades were still silky smooth, and then the matte shades were still pigmented, and the blendability is on point, as you can tell by this one. And I did a lot of blending with this look. Alright, I did a lot of blending. I learned a lot of techniques as I was doing these three looks. I mean, this one I tried the powder puff with blending out my concealer. It does really well. I can say that with cleaning up here, it makes it look feathered. Okay, so it's not sharp, it's like very soft. If you want right here to be sharp, then use a concealer brush. But if you want it to be soft, feathery, then use the powder puff. That's what I did. And at first I did not like it because I'm a sharp girl. I like things to be sharp and precise. But this is not bad. This is a perfect palette for someone that is into the neutrals. So this is a warm neutrals palette. If that is you, I'm gonna put it in the description box below. I know when I got this, this was on eBay. But all the looks, I've been forgetting to do this, but all the looks are definitely Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. I want you to comment below which look was your favorite as well. Don't forget to click on the notification bell once you finish subscribing, so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. Check out the previous episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé, and you could check out the previous video that I just did. I'll see you over there. Bye! And stay fabulous.